Welcome everybody to Cooking with Dash, and today we're making grated apple treat, and you can also fill it in a cake. So we need half lemon juice, we need 2 apples, nutmeg and cinnamon and sugar, and that's it. So now we're going to cut the lemon in half. That much. So now we're gonna cut an apple. Go cut apples. So you can grate it. Bit noisy. Now I've all chopped up my apple. Now we're gonna grate it. Try not to put your fingers in it. It tastes really yummy. Now I need to squeeze the lemon into the grated apple. Now I need to mix the lemon juice with the grated apple in the bowl. Now you need a little sprinkle of nutmeg. Now you need some cinnamon. Now I can use that side and just sprinkle it. And I think that's enough. Stir it all in. Now we need to get the caster sugar, about like that much. And now just sprinkle it all over the stuff, like this. And now you just need to mix it all in till it's all disintegrated. Now that it's finished, you can put it in pancakes or muffins. And just eat it like this in general, and something else, but I forgot it. Cake. Now you taste it. You get a spoonful. And it should taste really good, because I make it really good.